Hey everyone, it's Mike Farish again with Ebby Holiday Realtors and doing my new build series update. I'm here in Star Trail in Prosper, one of the Jerry Jones developments here with Coventry Homes. And the floor plan I'm about to show you is probably my favorite floor plan for a single story I've ever seen. It's a model home, it's absolutely stunning. So I'm going to flip the camera around and we're going to take a look. And if you want to chime in, write a comment, ask any questions, feel free to do so and I'll try and do it as I walk through. So let's flip them around. So hang on, let me show you the elevation because it's pretty cool. So I'd say it's pretty unconventional for DFW. It kind of has more of a modern slash, I'd almost say Mediterranean feel. I don't know if that's the right terminology, but you got a beautiful door straight as you walk in. And what's cool about this community is we hear a lot of the new builds that have these mud and pig taxes. Star Trail actually doesn't. The developer actually bought all of that out, which is awesome. So from the front door, you look straight through to the back window. You have those accordion doors. Your right hand side, you have your formal dining room. And this is probably the most impressive part. You have these amazing wood beams over the living room. Flip to the right and you've got this stunning kitchen, double ovens, microwave, stainless steel, huge island. Let me go over there and we can see it a little bit better. A breakfast nook, which then opens into a second family room. And an additional bedroom with its own bathroom. So these homes, this one starts at about 590,000, but they offer, I believe $40,000 in incentives. So you take that off the price and then whatever upgrades you want, you just kind of put it into the house in the design center, or structural upgrades. So this is a master bedroom and bathroom. Deep set tub. His and hers vanity. Hey! You can guess whose is whose. One is bigger than the other. And then a huge shower as well. It's pretty neat. So you have the rain shower straight over you. You got another one. See if it works. Works like a charm. If you want the rain shower, there you go. And then a large closet as well. So what I actually love about this house is the outdoors. If you haven't seen accordion doors before, these are pretty neat. So you can obviously just open one, or if I open these, it's doing it like a professional. They all actually close up, and if I turn around you'll see what I've done. So the whole of this outside is now opened up with these accordion doors, which is pretty neat. So you can sit on a cool day in your living room, but have people outside and you can all kind of be mingling in together. So outside, this is called the Texas size patio because it's pretty huge. You have your wood burning fireplace, TV above, built-in kitchen with the grill. They can actually extend this patio out a little bit if needs be. That's an option for you. Let's go back in and we're going to check where the phone is pointing, this side of the house. I want to say hi to everyone watching, appreciate you checking in. You have this amazing study here. Again, you got the beams above. And then we got a further 2 bedrooms over here with a Jack and Jill bathroom. Their own closets, which you can see here. There's one bathroom with decorative tile. And we're into the other bedroom. So it's also got a 3-car garage. This leads through to the single car garage. The 2-car garage is on the other side of the house, but that's where the sales offices are. So, yes, Karen, this is that's why I'd love to show it. It's pretty amazing. So, if any of you want to come through and see the property at all, I mean, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to have the chance to show it to you. And besides that, this is... I'll tell you a little bit about the amenities, actually. So, Star Trail just built a new amenity centre. It's got 3 pools, tennis courts, like I said, the amenity centre that you can hold events in. It's pretty awesome. HOA fees are about, I believe, $100 a month, which isn't too bad for the area. And that's about it. This is my favourite floor plan in probably the whole of DFW for a single story. And if you want more information about new homes, feel free to contact me. Would love to help in any way that I can. And have a great rest of the day. Bye.